7 mistakes to avoid on house cleaning after renovation. 1. Cleaning the house by yourself. There is dirt on the floor, ceiling, walls, carpet, curtain, bedrooms, toilet, roof and cabinet among other items that need to be cleaned. It is obvious that you are not a jack of all trades to clean everything. It is good to spend some money on professional house cleaning services and give your house an outstanding look after renovation. 2. Failure to ask the specialization of cleaning companies when hiring them. There are some companies that only specialize in curtain and carpet cleaning services, toilet cleaning services and compound cleaning services among other. Always go for companies that offer full package cleaning services, especially after renovation and other major house cleaning activities. 3. Hiring a cleaning company based on its pricing. It is a common practice among Singapore house owners to get house cleaning services from companies that charge low cleaning fees. You need to consider the ability of the company to give your house a new look after renovation, the required tools, equipment and well-trained staff. 4. Failure to check the track record of the company you want to hire. As a house owner, it is important to avoid hasty decisions when hiring house cleaning services after renovation. Always check the review from previous customers and try to find out from the people who have used their services before. 5. Hiring cleaning companies that do not give any insurance policy. It is always wise to hire house cleaning companies that offer insurance cover in case of a damage to avoid spending more money repairing your house after renovation. 6. Ignoring contract signing with cleaning companies. The contract highlights how you want your house to be cleaned and how long the clean process should take. A contract is very important because you can be in a better position to request for a refund if the cleaning company fails to perform as stipulated in the contract. 7. Not booking with your cleaning company in advance. When doing house renovation, you need to book for cleaning services at least 2 weeks before. Otherwise you might end up getting disappointed as the cleaning companies tries to fix you in their already tight schedule. It is advisable for house owners to avoid the above 7 mistakes on house cleaning after renovation in order to get the expected result.